Yeah, it's been nearly 5 months since the justices heard the arguments and nearly a year since the group Fight Voter Fraud leveraged that obscure law to try and hold these alleged ballot stuffers accountable. This decision is a big setback.
They never ruled on the merits of the case.
In this 17-page decision, all 7 Connecticut Supreme Court justices unanimously agreed that Fight Voter Fraud's efforts to arrest the alleged ballot stuffers Wanda Jeter and Bridgeport City Councilor Ida Martinez should be dismissed on standing.
The Connecticut Supreme Court took a different view of the law than we did.
The justices say Fight Voter Fraud and the 3 Bridgeport voters named in the complaint are not aggrieved or injured because they do not have a specific personal and legal interest in the arrest.
We're kind of scratching our head with the state of Connecticut Supreme Court saying that they're not. How could they not be?
It's a story Fox 61 first broke in November 2023 when Fight Voter Fraud leveraged this state law from 1868 that was used only once to hold alleged Bridgeport ballot harvesters accountable for ballot fraud caught on camera in the Bridgeport mayor's race.
Saying that we don't have the right to be somewhere that the legislature said that we have the right to be is the definition of a legal injury.
The justices went on to say other states previously had statutes of the same kind. However, those have been declared unconstitutional.
They utilized Massachusetts law and did not look at the history of Connecticut laws, which is extremely odd.
Fight Voter Fraud is now filing a motion to reconsider, a motion that's almost always denied. With no other legal avenues, the group is now in an ironic position. It must rely on the chief state's attorney's office to accomplish its goal, the one state office that's alleged inaction forced it to undertake this fight in the first place.
Our main purpose of this was because the chief state's attorney's office is not doing their job.
Unless the chief state's attorney's office is pushed, they're not going to do anything, and that's frankly unacceptable.
And we should mention that in June, the chief state's attorney, Patrick Griffin, did file charges against Wanda Jeter and 3 other suspects related to alleged ballot fraud that occurred back in 2019. But to this day, no one has been charged or held accountable for the fraud caught on camera just last year. We're live outside the state Supreme Court in Hartford. Matt Caron, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.